Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact Facebook customer support. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down and you should see help and support. So just select that and it'll give you a whole range of options. So what you can do if you've got any issues is report a problem. So click on there and then select report problem. Then this will just let you know whether to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. So this will just mean information about your device, account and this app related to the issue that you are reporting will be automatically included in this report in order to help us understand and resolve the issue. So if you're happy with that, you can either include it or not include it. And then it will give you a whole range of options which you may have an issue with. So just click on whichever one suits you. And ideally, if it is a profile issue or something like that, take a few screenshots of the actual issue and then describe the issue best you can. And once you've done that, just select the little arrow on the top right and they should get back to you with regards to that issue. So that's how you can contact Facebook customer support. Thanks for watching.